an advancement 5,000 years in the making. V-Series internal gear pumps. Since its invention around 3000 BC, asphalt has been extremely difficult to handle, even when utilizing modern-day pumping systems. Because asphalt can range from a solid to a liquid, with a wide variety of fluid characteristics, standard pumping technology is no match for asphalt-related applications. The solution is to employ a pump specifically designed for asphalt. A pump that is able to insulate the asphalt from outside ambient conditions and can handle a wide range of viscosity changes. Engineered with this criteria in mind, EnviroGear is excited to introduce its new V-Series internal gear pump, a true advancement in the area of asphalt-related equipment, and the world's first and only drop-in replacement for the Viking 34 Series asphalt pump. V-Series pumps feature a series of design enhancements to make them the ideal solution to optimize product transfer and handling in all asphalt-related applications. The V-Series innovative design includes a wide variety of new and standard-setting features that have established a series of industry firsts within the asphalt market. These features include an industry-leading jacket surface area on the pump case, head, pressure relief valve, and rotor bearing sleeve that enables more uniform pump heating. The V-Series design also incorporates jacketing placed behind the pump rotor on the rear adapter plate, which eliminates a known cold spot that can lead to hard startups and premature pump and seal failures. Additionally, the pump offers the unique ability to utilize the jacketed head and PRV simultaneously. These improvements to the jacket design result in up to 35% more jacket surface area than the competition, allowing more uniform heating and quicker time to reach operating temperature, which improves system reliability. Other innovative design features of V-Series pumps include a rotatable casing that allows the operator to use both right-handed and left-handed flange orientations as needed without additional lead times or costs, and standard high-strength ductile iron gear material that improves reliability when compared to steel rotors, all while resulting in purchase cost savings that can be as much as 25%. Over the centuries, asphalt has proven to be one of the world's most challenging commodities to handle. But this has changed thanks to the EnviroGear V-Series pump, which overcomes the hurdles inherent in handling asphalt and does it in a way that is safe, reliable, and economical. Simply put, V-Series pumps are just a better drop-in replacement to the current competitive option. So stop waiting and start paving today with the EnviroGear V-Series pump.
PSG, where innovation flows.